Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw right here on MetaTrader 5. And if you want to withdraw, what you're going to do is not right here from this MetaTrader 5 application, because this is just a tool to connect your broker to and to trade with. So if I'm honest, it's not possible to do it directly from MetaTrader 5 right here. If you're having a broker that you connected right here to MetaTrader 5, please withdraw your money on that broker. But if you want to do it from your real account from MetaTrader 5, what you can do right here is go to MQL5 right here, then select your name and go right here to profile. Then we go to payments, and this is the place where you see right here withdraw from your account. Then right now you can select right here which payment method you want to use, fill in right here how much you want to withdraw, click right here on withdraw from account, and then do the following steps to withdraw money from your account. Right now you see withdrawal unavailable because I don't have any money standing on this account, but this is the place where you need to be to withdraw money from your real account on MetaTrader 5. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.